Hi, mistakes we are doing while learning English or while start learning English. Before getting back to the point, let me introduce myself to you. So, dear friends, this is Biggest here in front of you, and I'm a self-learner. I have been learning English for last 11 months. So, here in this video, I'll share my experience as a self-learner. I'll try to share everything with you. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, welcome back to my another new video. So, dear friends, our today's topic is what are the mistakes we are doing while trying to learn English or while trying to speaking in English. So when it comes to learning English, first off, the thing is we all tend to contemplate that we have to learn this language within 1 month or 2 months or within a few months, right? But do you remember? Since we born, we couldn't speak in our mother tongue, and it has taken 2 years to speak in our mother tongue. So, can you guess now? How long will it take to be a fluent speaker, or how long will it take to be fluent in English? Yes, if you want to learn English oneself, then definitely it will take time because learning English is the long process. So you should have patience to learn this language. But most of us, we contemplate that we have to learn English just in 2 months or 3 months. But one thing I want to share you, that is, yes, it's possible to be fluent, to be a proficient in English if consistently you learn this language just for 2 months. Yes, if you consistently learn this language, if you practice this language for 2 months, after 2 months you could get what you have to do to learn this language. Because when you consistently learn this language for 2 months, you can be able to upgrade your level, upgrade your vocabulary, everything about English you could be known. So definitely practice every day and consistently you can learn this language. Okay, the second problem is we should love this language. Without loving, it's not possible to do better. Not just learning English, anything else. You can't do better. So first of all, definitely, maybe it will be first. That is, you have to love this language. Okay, when you love a language, you feel enjoy. Okay, you feel compelled to express your thoughts in this language, and then it will increase your hungerness to learn this language, and you can easily express your thought with confidently, right? So love this language and enjoy to learn this language. It will help you to progress your English learning journey or your English speaking journey. Okay, and the third thing I want to share you, guidelines. It's important to know, it's important to follow your guidelines if you want to be succeed in English learning or speaking journey or anything else. You need good guidelines. Most of us, we fall down, we gave off because of a good guidelines. So definitely you should follow some guidelines. As a second language, I always suggest you that try to complete your tense concept first. Okay, and try to clear these concepts within a week or within 15 or 20 days. Then focus on your daily activities. Using tense, based on tense, try to make sentence using this. Tense. Using tense, you should practice every single day. Then you can focus on modal verbs or using of verbs or part of speech. So you can follow these guidelines to improve your English speaking. Don't focus on many things or several things. Just maintain your guidelines and practice every single day. Consistently, you should be practiced. Then you can be a good speaker. And the fourth thing I want to say you, that is practice your speaking. I always say that practice listening is the fundamental. The fundamental things to learn English. If you want to be fluent, if you want to increase your vocabulary level, if you want to upgrade your listening skills, then definitely you should practice your listening. And it will help you to improve your pronunciation, your fluency, your vocabulary level, and you can communicate with foreigners easily because you understand what they are saying. Okay, so dear friends, hope this video will help you to improve your English speaking or to improve your English speaking journey. Have a good day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.